Hi, I am Saeed. Do you have a printer which picks up the first paper and then second and then third and then fourth and finally jammed? If your printer has the same problem, don't waste your time with updating its driver or reinstalling it on your computer, because this problem is not related to the software. This is a hardware disorder, so to speak. Any printer has electromagnet, something like this. What it does is that when it receives the electricity from the printer, it acts and picks up the first paper and then released. And again it acts, picks up the second paper and then released, and acts, picks up the third paper, and so on. Manufacturers always use two pieces of foam in these places, essentially using adhesive, to decrease this sound and change it to something like this. We cannot hear it at all. After one or a couple of years of using your printer, that adhesive may reach to the surface of the foam pieces, and because of that they become extremely sticky. In this position, when you send one day the command for print, it acts and is stuck together. It cannot release. What happens is that your printer picks up the first paper and the second and then third and then fourth and finally jammed. The solution is that we need to disassemble the printer first and then spot the electromagnet and bring it out, and then remove these two sticky pieces of foam, and then your printer works normally. In this video, I am working on a Samsung printer, but the solution is quite general and you can use it for your own printer. I start disassembling the device by removing the cartridge. Instead of using a screwdriver in this disassembly, you can use this great tool, a guitar's pick. It never leaves traces behind on plastic parts. The left cover is removed. And now the right cover. I need to disassemble different parts until I can reach to electromagnet. It's a relatively simple work to find the electromagnet, because around its coil it always has colored tape. Look at here, I can see it in here. I need to disassemble some other parts to reach to it. Be very careful about parts like this, bearing gears. Never let the gears fall down, or even, if it is possible, prevent them even from rotating in their places. Here is the electromagnet. As you can see, it is completely stuck. It cannot move at all. I first remove the moving part. Can you see the foam? It is quite sticky. Now I remove it and clear up the remnants using a sandpaper. It is not sticky anymore, neither the core nor the moving part. I bring it back to its place. Look, it moves freely. And look at this, the electromagnet controls this gear. And look at this, my friends. This gear directly connected to the pickup roller, which picks up the papers from the feeder from here. I reassemble the device. And now this is the time to check out the result. If you don't know how to disassemble your own printer, you can search it on YouTube, and then you can disassemble your device and reach to its electromagnet. Please leave me comments about your idea and your experiences about this method. If you have any suggestion for another repair as a video, you can leave me a comment. Maybe the next video is orchestrated for you. Thanks for watching.